Hello.
Hi, Marcelo. How are you? Okay, that's good. I see the network isn't very good. Um, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, very clear.
Okay, that's better.
Yes,
Okay.
you.
Uh, yes, I can hear you clearly. Thank
And
you.
you can see me. Can you see me too?
Yes, I can.
Oh, very good. So,
All right. How are you doing today?
yes, I'm good. I'm very tired.
Yeah, why?
I had hard work today,
Yeah.
and because what is the best to wake up? I
I
wake
woke
up
up.
early. I woke
I
up.
woke up. I woke up early.
Okay. I I woke up early. Yes, I woke up early. And tomorrow I will wake up early too,
Yeah. Oh,
or
goodness.
again.
Yeah. What time did you wake up?
5 hours,
Five,
five o'clock
5 o'clock.
a.m.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
5 o'clock.
I feel you because I also wake up at 5 o'clock.
You too?
Yeah. Yes,
Why?
I teach at 5 o'clock.
Why so early?
Because Cambly is very busy at 5 o'clock, and a lot of my students ask to have class at that time. So
Mm-hmm.
usually I have a lot of reservations at that time.
Okay. You have reservations every day?
Not every day, no. But a lot of the days, yeah.
Okay. But you are you here every day?
Yes, sometimes, but now
Sometimes.
I will go to England now for holiday, for Christmas holiday.
When?
So, in 2 days.
In 2 days?
Yes. So,
Yes, really?
yeah.
You take the airplane to go to England in 2 days?
Yes. So I'm
Wow,
very excited, but I'm going to get very cold.
very excited. But tell me, do you have fear?
Only the cold. I'm scared of the cold. I will have to wear lots of jackets.
Okay, but my question is fear
Fear
in
for flying?
yes for flying.
No, I've
Never?
no,
Nothing?
uh-uh. I like flying. I love flying. What about you? Do you have a fear for flying?
Yes, really? Every
Yeah.
time?
Oh no. I I think to myself, if I get scared, I think no, but I drive a car and
Mm.
cars have more accidents than airplanes.
Yes,
So
but
if we
it's
can
different
drive a
because
car,
you are on the floor. It's different when you are in the sky. But
that's
I
true.
I will tell you about this. I was on Panama in the last week, and I take my airplane
Hmm.
and go. I went.
Oh
Okay,
yeah, I took
I
my
went.
airplane and went.
I went, yes, and it's okay, everything. But when is helping me now?
When
The
it landed,
land.
or in the sky, or landed,
What is the name for?
landed.
This is
Yeah.
new word in my vocabulary.
Yeah, so
And
like when we land, the airplane would land,
okay, help
landed.
me with the pronunciation. Landed.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, when the airplane landed,
Good.
and touched the floor. Okay,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
airplane
touched.
touched the floor. Yes. The move. Let me see.
Yeah,
The move. Okay.
the plane moved.
Yes,
The
but
plane.
Yes,
Yeah.
the correct is okay. The correct is I don't know the name, but is
Like it drove because it was driving. When it was driving, the plane moved.
yes, but my airplane do this or doing this or
Was
did
yeah,
this.
did this. There we go.
Yes, I don't know. I don't know what is the name for this,
So we could
but
say, um, yeah, it's called turbulence. So, I'll type that for you. Turbulence.
yes, but turbulence is
It's
when the
in the
airplane
sky.
is yes on the sky.
Yeah, but
But
we can
now,
also say it when it landed. We had turbulence as well.
yes, this happen every time
Yeah.
with
Uh,
car on the floor. I will find the word. Let me see. Mm,
you
just a
know the
moment,
word in
please.
Portuguese?
Yes,
Okay.
but I will find in Portuguese and I will use the Google
Yeah,
translation, right?
yeah. Google Translate. Or
Translate.
translation is also fine, but we just call it Google Translate.
Okay, maybe the word is skid.
Skid. Oh yeah, skid. We could say skid.
Yes, my airplane skid.
Oh
Or
gosh.
my plane. What is the sentence correct? My airplane.
Yeah, when my airplane landed, it skid on the road or on the
Okay, when the airplanes landed, it's skidded on the road.
yeah, that's right.
Yes. Okay, now you understand me.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay,
That's
but
that's a little bit
let me
scary.
tell you another thing.
Yeah.
When I return to my country, okay?
When
No,
when I returned to my country.
return to my country. Yes. Okay. What is the name? For example, in the car, when is the car is driver? Okay, driver. But when is
Mm,
airplane? What
the
is the name? Pilot,
passenger. Oh, the pilot. Yeah,
pilot. Yes.
pilot.
Okay. Uh, the people take the airplane and the
They took the
airplane.
airplane.
Yes. Okay. And
Yeah,
the airplane fly for
flew,
fly
flew. The
flew.
airplane flew. Yeah, we're talking past tense, right?
Ah, okay. Yes. Past tense. Yes.
Yeah, so flew.
Flew.
Yeah, like
Flew.
hachu flew, but spelling is different.
Okay, but my pronunciation is correct. Flew.
Yeah, flew.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Well, it's like flute. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sick. Okay. The airplane
Yeah.
uh, in four 40 minutes. The pilot said, "I'm sorry, but this airplane have a problem."
Oh my gosh.
Yes. And is necessary we return it, okay?
Yeah, we
Or
have
we
to
come back.
return.
We have to return, yes, to airport, Panama, Panama
Mhm.
airport.
Yeah,
We
Panama.
have to return, yes. Oh my God. In this moment, or in that moment, what is
Yeah,
the,
in
what,
that moment.
in that moment,
Mm,
yes? Or in that moment,
that moment.
that moment, yes. In that moment, I was very, very, very tired.
Yeah.
Yes, my body tired. I in that moment, right?
Mm.
In
Yeah,
that
we
moment,
could say also at that moment. It's it's not wrong to say in that moment, but it
okay,
sounds
at
better
that
to say
moment,
at that moment. Yeah.
okay, at that moment, I don't want more. Or what is the word? What is the sentence to I don't want more in the past?
I didn't want more.
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't.
I didn't. Yes. At that moment, I didn't want more. Be on this place
I didn't want. Yeah, I didn't want to be
to be
in this place or at this place or in
in the
this
airplane
plane. Yeah, in this plane
in this
anymore. So
plane
anymore will
anymore.
be at the end.
Yes, perfect. Anymore. Yes, but to what is the word? Everybody.
Yeah.
Sorry. Help me, please. Everybody need to return.
Everybody had to return.
Have to return.
Yeah,
Yes.
had, past tense,
Had. Oh,
HAD.
yes, past. Had to return because it's necessary, but it's necessary in the past because
So
my
what is the past tense of is? Is
is
and
yes in the past because I am
yeah,
tell you about
but I
something that
want
in the
you to
last week.
think, Marcela, I want you to think, what is the past of is? Is, now, and was.
Yes,
Is
yes,
and
in the last
was.
week.
So was.
All right, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So see, I want you to think of what is the past of is. Okay. So is and was.
Perfect, Sherry. Yes,
All right.
thank you.
You're so
Uh,
welcome.
um, okay, so I let me remember now. I'm confused now, but let me see.
Everyone had to, you said everyone had to return
Return,
and
yes,
it was necessary.
yes, because it was necessary. Yes, but everybody had a fear,
Yeah, everyone had
or
fear.
was a fear, or no,
Everyone
was fear, was
was
afraid,
afraid or
was
was
afraid,
scared. Yeah, everyone
or
was
was
afraid
scared.
or was scared.
Yes, because everybody was thinking about okay,
What is the
the
problem?
airplane have a problem, so to to return,
Yeah,
yes, the
for
time is
it's
40 minutes.
okay. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and in 40 minutes maybe the airplane
Mm,
down or
airplane could fall down.
good, no, sorry,
Could
go, got,
could could
code,
could could
okay,
could.
yes,
Yeah,
could
yeah. There we go. The
could
airplane could fall.
could fall. What is the fall?
Fall. Pew.
Fall.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes,
Oh my gosh.
was really terrible. Will no was yes was really terrible.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was really terrible. Yes.
Yes, yes. It's
Oh,
not so good.
Marcela, you're making me scared.
Make it?
You are making me scared.
Ah, no, no, no. I will tell you about airplane is the middle or is very safe.
Yeah.
Yes, is the best, right?
Yeah.
You said to me
You
the
said to me.
car.
Yeah.
You said you said
To
to me.
me. Yeah.
Yes, about the car. The car is crashed every day, right?
Right. There are millions of people that crash their cars every day, and only like one in a year that an airplane maybe
Hmm.
crashes. So it's
But
okay.
I will tell you, it's the first time in my life that this happened.
Yeah. It's
Yes,
scary. It really is. I have to say, but um, I like flying. I really enjoy flying
yes, it's
because
good.
yeah,
It's nice, cool, right?
I like to travel. So the flying, I try to make the flying. the best experience for me because you'd stay on the airplane for so long, and then
Mm-hmm.
you can try make yourself comfortable, uh, drink some nice things, and eat some nice food. So it's good.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yes.
Watch
Very, very good.
movies.
Nice food in the airplane.
Some
It's
places have
not.
nice food.
Okay. Yes. Some
Yeah.
places.
Like for example, the Qatar, I like to fly with Qatar Airlines or Etihad Airlines. They have very delicious food. But other airlines that I have taken, like Singapore and
The food is not
maybe,
good.
so I take like Qatar and Etihad and Emirates. They have good food.
Okay. Yes. But is what is the name for first class? No.
Yeah, business
Yes.
class or
First
first
business
class.
class or economic.
Yeah, economy class or
Economic. Yeah.
you can say economy or economic.
Economy or economic
Very good. Yeah.
class.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I take economic class. First class and business class too expensive.
Yes, very expensive.
Yeah.
Yes, I was on
Hmm.
economic class, right?
Economic.
Economic. And yes, I love coffee, but my coffee there in the airplane, I don't like coffee.
No.
No.
Yeah. I like when I am on the airplane, I like to have they have juice like, but it's they have fresh juice that they have on the airplane, which is very strange to have fresh juice on the airplane.
Oh,
So
fresh juice.
yeah, I like that.
Mhm.
But it's not like the one in the box. They make it fresh and then they put it in the fridge and then they give it to you and you can taste it's very fresh.
Yes. And tell me, how long time
For how long are you flying?
how long no. How long you will be on England?
Oh, okay. So in England. So how
In
long?
England. Okay.
Yeah,
I had
how
problems
long?
on in.
It's okay. Just practice, that's all.
Yes.
So how long will you be in England? So remember, when we have on, it means like usually we talk about on something, right? My hand is on my other hand.
The books
So
on the
it's
table.
on. Yeah, but in means like in a place or in a car. It means you are inside.
Okay, but I can say, for example, I am in Brazil, I am in United States, I am in England, I am in Japan.
Mhm.
Yes,
Yeah, that's perfect. You
yes,
cannot say
in
I'm on. You cannot say I'm on Japan. You can say I'm on
on.
holiday.
Ah, okay,
Yeah, but you cannot say I am on a
on
place. You can only say I'm in a place.
in a place.
Yeah, so in
But
England,
I am in a car or on a car.
in a car, because it's also a place, right? Your car is a place, so in a
Ah,
car.
okay, car is a place. When is on? When I am on the table,
Yes.
on the
So on,
surf, on the motorcycle.
yeah, that's right. So when you are sitting on something, also you can say when it is like a time, you can say
Mm-hmm.
I am on holiday, so it's a time. I'm on holiday. I am on leave. I
Mm-hmm.
am on probation. A time
Okay.
frame. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. Cool. So. Okay. What is the time you? Okay. Sorry. You type for me, and I am. Let me. Okay. How long you you? Sorry. How long
Will
will you
you?
be in England?
I will be there for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Oh, very good.
Yes.
2 weeks. Your
Yeah.
vacation?
Yes, I will have a vacation because my family,
Is
my family
England?
is not really. They, uh, my family does come from England,
Oh,
but
yes. Okay.
most of my family is in South Africa.
Yes, Africa. But you have parents there.
I have family in England, but not my parents. My parents are in South Africa.
Okay. Okay. Your family.
Yeah, so other family.
Yes, you told
So
me, but I am when I am. You told me about this, but how I am Brazilian and my English is very, very bad. I am confused now.
don't worry,
Sometimes.
it's okay. Don't worry, Marcelo. It's so nice to talk to you. So I don't mind it to
Hmm.
explain.
No, very good. Okay, I'm happy
Uh,
now. Thank
yeah,
you.
you're welcome. So,
So
and
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes. And I will
Hmm.
get very cold.
Very cold now, but you is possible now. We see snow there.
Can you say again?
Snow.
Snow. Yeah, I think
Yes.
there will be snow.
Wow, very good. I wanted to know snow someday in my life.
You want to see snow someday.
I want to see snow someday in my life.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah,
Because
you
here
know,
in Brazil it's very, very hot. It's never, never, never snow. No,
yeah, it
never.
it never snows.
It's never snows. Yes.
Yeah, in South Africa it sometimes snows, but not in my city. We have to go up the mountain to see the snow. So it's
Every
very
year.
far. No, we don't go, it doesn't snow every year. Only maybe some places, yes, but it's
Okay.
far from us. Yeah. But in
Yes.
South Africa it's very cold, but I haven't felt the winter in 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah,
Wow.
4 years, no winter. So only hot, hot, hot for 4 years. And
It's
now
not
I will
good.
go into the winter.
Yes. And tell me, do you have problems with the accent, with the British English?
Yeah, British English sometimes, but because my family, my grandfather has a very old British English accent.
Hmm.
So I understand him. And because I understand him, I can understand most accents. But there are some accents, like, for example, the Scottish and Irish accent. Ireland, people from Ireland and Scotland.
Ireland. Hmm.
Yeah. And
Scotland?
Scotland, yeah.
Scotland. Okay.
Yeah. And
Hmm.
I struggle with their accent. They have a very bad accent.
But I guess the accent, British
English?
English, yes, very, very beautiful.
Mm. Very,
Yes.
yeah,
But
I
it's
agree.
not beautiful in my mouth. It's beautiful when the England people, right,
Yeah,
or British people,
British people, yeah.
British people, yes, say speak in English is very, very beautiful. What is water for you or no?
I like it. I do like it. Um, I
Water.
have, say again?
My question for you is water for you or the pronunciation water is water or is
Oh,
another thing?
water, water.
Water. Ah, water.
Yeah, water. So I have a very American, my accent has mixture between Canada, Canadian, American, and British and
Hmm.
South African. So I have four different.
Ah, mistake. It's a mistake. It's a
Yeah,
mistake.
like I mix it, and
Mix. Okay. Mix
yeah,
accent.
yeah, mix
Okay.
accent.
Mix
So,
accent. Okay.
but I like that because it's um it's easier for my students to understand that, and that's
Mhm.
important for me. Is if I had a British accent, maybe you would not understand me as good. but
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the American accent because it's a little bit too hard. Like it's too fast. They speak too
Mm-hmm.
fast and they sound
It's
very
difficult when the people speak too fast,
right.
so
And
fast.
that's why I try to mix my accents, but not try. It just happens. It just happens. But maybe when I go to England, I will have a British accent for after 2 weeks. I will have a British accent because
Yes.
I will only
But
be
do you
speaking
know
British.
what is water in British English?
Water, water.
Wow, it's different.
Would you like a glass of water?
Sorry?
I'm speaking British for you. Wo- I
Repeat.
can't do it. Um, would you like a glass of water?
Wow. Yes, very different.
Yeah, it's quite different. But a glass of water.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So I was in Panama, okay, in
Yeah,
Panama, and I guess in the past, what is?
in the in the past, yeah.
Yes, guess is in the past. I guess.
Uh, I guessed.
I guessed.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess that the food in Panama is very terrible. It's horrible. Horrible. Yes, I don't like. But in England,
Yeah.
what is your prefer food,
Pre
or what is
pref
your preference?
yeah. Um, uh, it's difficult because there's so much, but I think most of the time they like to eat meat, a lot of meat.
Type for me. I don't know.
Meat like beef and
Oh, okay, meat. Yes, barbecue.
yeah, yeah, they barbecue all the time,
Yes,
and
barbecue is very
even
very good. I love.
me too. But
Yes,
yeah, meat, pies, um, bacon,
pizza.
a lot of bacon. Not pizza, yeah, but not so much. Pizza is more Italian and
Okay,
American. Um,
hamburger,
yes.
pasta.
Yeah, but they like fish and chips.
All right. Okay. Do you like Japanese food?
Of course, yeah, I do.
Yes, but it has Japanese food in England.
I'm sure they do have, yes, because England has all kinds of food. Um, they have pasta, pizza, everything, They have um, Japanese food, Chinese food, Korean food, Thai food.
It's a
I
mistake
think,
in the food.
yeah, I think because of it's a developed country, right? So they have a lot of um, other people come there and open restaurants and stuff.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, it's very very good. I am hungry now.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. I was thinking now, oh goodness, I need some food.
Yes, yes. Okay. What is the time there now?
It is 23 minutes past 9.
Wow. Okay.
And what is the time there?
Half midnight, 23 minutes. Midnight, right?
Wow. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Is
past
is very
midnight
later.
or
Half
20,
half. Yes, but it's night.
is it
Middle.
already midnight? So it's like
Midnight.
12,
Midnight. Midnight.
20,
Yes.
12:23.
Yes, but midnight, right?
Yeah, mine is 12, not 12. Mine is
I
9:23.
have 20 seconds now,
I see.
unfortunately.
Okay,
Yes, but
Marcella,
Tammy, I really enjoy our conversation.
me
Thank you very
too.
much.
Thank you very much. I hope you sleep well and
Thank you.
enjoy your day tomorrow.
Okay, and good trip for you. It's
Thank
correct?
you. Yeah, good trip for you.
Okay.
Thank you
See you
so much.
soon. Bye bye.
Goodbye.